A stranger came to the door at eve, and he spoke the bridegroom fair. He bore a green-white stick in his hand, and for all burden care, he asked with the eyes more than the lips for a shelter for the night, and he turned looked at the road affair without a window light. The bridegroom came forth into the porch with, "Let us look at the sky and question what of the night to be. Stranger, you and I, the woodbine leaves littered the yard. The woodbine berries were blue autumn. Yes, winter was in the wind. Stranger, I wish I knew within the bed, and the dusk alone bent over the open fire, her face rose red with the glowing coil, and the thought of the heart's desire. The bridegroom looked at the weary road. It saw but her within, and wished her heart in a cage of gold, and spent with a silver pin. The bridegroom thought it little gave a doll of bread, a purees, a heart-lift prayer for the poor of God, or for the rich a craze. But whether or not a man was asked to mar the love of to buy her burning we in the bridal house, the bridegroom wished he knew. If I could have just one wish, I would wish to wake up every day to the sound of your breath on my neck, the warmth of your lips on my cheek, the touch of your fingers on my skin, and the feel of your heart beating with mine, knowing that I could never find that feeling with anyone other than you. Shall we compare our, our hearts to a garden with beautiful blooms, strangling weeds, sweeping birds, and sunshine, rain, and most importantly, seeds by Gray Livingstone. Everything about you so perfect seems I almost feel like you came out of a dream. I know that I prayed each day for someone like you And now I know that all my wishes came true. I love you, and I probably still do. And for a while, the feeling may remain, but let my love no longer trouble you. I do not wish to cause you any pain. I loved you, and the hopelessness I knew, the jealousy, the shyness, though in vain, made up a love so tender and so true as may God grant you to be loved again. I have never known anyone like you, for you are oh so true. I know that now that I have you, resist will be ever so few. The moments that we first met, I knew that there was something about you that I wanted to get, and finally, now I see that you were always the one for me. I know that you will be there to catch me when I fall, and that is the only thing that I ever want for you. If at all you have given me love and made me feel complete, so fill my life with love forever and never let it deplete. Give me the chance, and I will make the thoughts of me like worms this day take wings and chance to butterflies that in the golden light shall play. They called clear heart, the quiet pool that never heard love's night Angel shall hear his music night and day, and in no seasons shall it fail. I will make thee happy heart by port, where all my thoughts are uttered fast. The meditations full of praise, the flags of glory on each must I will make my soul the shepherd soon with all the thoughts my grateful flock, and thou shalt say each time I go, how long my love, ere thou it come back. My belief in love has become stronger with your presence in my life. My faith in angels has come true since the time I have seen you staying for never breaks relation, staying near never builds relation. It's a link between hearts which never allows us to forget each other. Romance is the glamour which turns the dust of everyday life into a golden, hazy